In this video, we are going to learn about how to convert percentage into fraction. First, we'll start with 1%. So, this 1%, that is nothing but 1 divided by 100. So, this 1% can be written as 1 by 100. Suppose if we have 10%, 10% can be written as 10 divided by 100. If you simplify this, you will get 1 divided by 10. So 10% fraction value is 1 divided by 10. Suppose if we have 20%, this 20% can be written as 20 divided by 100. So this is nothing but, so if you divide it by 10, you will get 2 divided by 10, because 10 into 2 is 20 and 10 into 10 is 100. So if you simplify, you will get 2 by 10. If you again simplify this, you will get 1 divided by 5. Because if you divide it by 2, you will get 1 divided by 5. So 20% fraction value is 1 by 5. Suppose if we have 50%, so this 50% can be written as 50 divided by 100. So if you cancel this by 50, you will get 1 divided by 2. So 50% fraction value is 1 by 2. Suppose if we have 32%, this 32% can be written as 32 divided by 100. Right? See, both are even numbers. 32 and 100 both are even numbers. So if you cancel this by 2, you will get 16, right? 16 into 2, 32 divided by 50. If you again cancel this by 2, you will get 8 divided by 25. So 32% fraction value is 8 by 25. If we have 54%, so this 54% can be written as 54 divided by 100. If we divide this by 2, you will get 27 divided by 50. So the fraction value is 27 divided by 50. Suppose if we have 45%, this 45% can be written as 45 divided by 100. So here we have 45 and this 45 is divisible by 5. Similarly 100 is also divisible by 5. So if you divide it by 5, you will get 9 divided by 20. So the fraction value is 9 divided by 20. Next we have 120%. This 120% can be written as 120 divided by 100. So this 120 divided by 100 can be written as 12 by 10, because 1 0 will get cancelled. So we have 12 by 10. So this 12 by 10, so if you divide this by 2, you will get 6 divided by 5. So the fraction value is 6 divided by 5. Next, if we have 150%, this 150% can be written as 150 divided by 100. So again this can be written as 15 divided by 10. See, both 15 and 10 are divisible by 5. So if you divide it, you will get 3 divided by 2. So 150% fraction value is 3 divided by 2. If we have 135%, this 135% can be written as 135 divided by 100. So the numerator number ends with 5. So this is divisible by 5. Similarly 100 is also divisible by 5. So if you divide it, you will get 27 divided by 20. Next, if we have 275%, this 275% can be written as 275 divided by 100. So both the numbers are divisible by 25. So if you divide it, 25 into 11, that is 275, divided by 25 into 4 is 100. So the fraction value is 11 divided by 4. Next, suppose if we have 280% can be written as 280 divided by 100. So this can be written as 28 divided by 10. Okay, because 1 0 will get cancelled. So we have 28 by 10. If you divide it by 2, you will get 14 divided by 5. So the fraction value is 14 divided by 5. If we have 420 percentage, so that can be written as 420 divided by 100, that is nothing but 42 by 10. So if you divide it by 2, you will get 21 divided by 5. So this is the fraction value of 420 percentage. Suppose if we have decimal value like 0.15 percentage, so this can be written as 0.15 divided by 100, because we have percentage, so we have to divide it by 100. And in the numerator we have 0.15. We have two values. So first we have to multiply with 100 both in the numerator and in the denominator. So if you divide it by 100, you will get, in the numerator we have 15 divided by, in the denominator we have 10,000. So if you divide it by 5, you will get 3 divided by 2000. So 0.15 percentage fraction value is 3 divided by 2000. Suppose we have 0.6 percentage, this can be written as 0.6 divided by 100, because we have percentage, so we have to divide it by 100. And here we have 0.6, so we have one value after the decimal, so we have to multiply with 10. So that is 6 divided by 1000. So if you divide it by 2, you will get 3 divided by 500. So this is how we have to convert the percentage value into fraction value. Thanks for watching this video. If you find this video useful, please subscribe to my channel and click on like button. And for further notification, please hit the bell icon. Thank you.